How do you get access to that through the share market?
Right. Well, of course, if you're a multinational corporation, you just come here and you invest direct, and you put up factories in Vietnam's industrial parks, which are proliferating everywhere. And some people say that Vietnam is just another Shenzhen. It's somewhat different if you're an investor in the stock market. There aren't that many direct plays on FDI or global supply chain shifts. We do have industrial park developers, and they've gone up a lot recently, and that's one way to directly capitalize on global supply chain shifts into Vietnam. But that's maybe the only obvious way in direct for this trend.
I had a chance when I was in the United States to speak with a former U.S. Energy Secretary, and he was essentially saying to me that one of the things he was focusing on was putting LNG terminals in Vietnam and other places in Southeast Asia. He said that there was significant opportunity for that, and that would mean, of course, that U.S. LNG would be making its way to Vietnam, among others. How difficult is it to get a deal like that one, in your view, for foreign companies?
I don't think it's that difficult. Vietnam needs the LNG input for sure, as its own energy needs grow, in line with 7% GDP per annum. It's running out of its own coal and oil supplies, right? It's no longer self-sufficient. It has its own gas as well, but it's running out of that in terms of fulfilling its own domestic needs. So LNG at some point is going to be a vital part of the equation, and I'm sure they'll be very glad to team up with U.S. corporations to get that supply. It takes a few years to put in place, and then you have to build the LNG trains, but that's definitely part of Vietnam's future.